Hey guys, Voice Recorder here, and today yesterday I took a shower, and I am gonna do another reacting video. And my reacting video today is Tails invents a thing, Sonic Party. Everyone kept on saying it was funny, but I did not believe them. So, I am going to react to it and see if it's funny or not. So, let's get to the video.
I have collected all the Chaos Emeralds, Sonic, so you can suck my dictionary.
Ha! Not this time,
His
Robotnik.
neck was all messed up.
You're too slow.
I'll poop on you.
That's no good. Ow, shit. Are you okay, Sonic? Ew, don't touch me, faggot. Well, what are we gonna do, Sonic? I don't know, Tails. Robotnik is using the Chaos Emeralds, and it makes him too strong.
Aha! I
There's a
have
boot,
a very
there's a boot,
powerful...
there's a boot.
I have a solution. We'll just use this thing I invented this morning. Lay it on me, my amigo. What? It's a minigun, Sonic! Tails, no. Just use it! Tails, please. Aim it! I don't want to. Do it, faggot!
I told you I'd poop on you.
Oh god, oh god, oh god, that was so funny. I'm gonna see if there's another Tails Adventure. Oh, there is. Yeah, but it's a different animation.
I have collected all the Chaos Emeralds, Sonic, so you can suck my dictionary.
Ha! Not this time,
His neck was all
Robotnik.
messed up.
Slap!
Ha! You're too slow.
I'll poop on you.
That's no good. Ow, shit. Are you okay, Sonic? Ew, don't touch me, faggot. Well, what are we gonna do, Sonic? I don't know, Tails.
I know it
Robotnik
looks
is
like my
using the
head.
Chaos
I'm just have a
Emeralds, and it
floating
makes him
head.
too strong.
But I'm wearing my Superman
I
shirt.
have a very powerful...
I have a solution. We'll just use this thing I invented this morning. Lay it on me, my amigo.
It's the Gmod
It's
one.
a minigun, Sonic. Tails, no. Just use it. Tails, please.
Aim it.
I don't want to. Do it, faggot.
Okay, that was actually better than the last one. So let's see. Oh, there's another one. Let's see this one. I like.
I have collected all the Chaos Emeralds, Sonic, so you can suck my dictionary.
Ha! Not this time, Robotnik.
Slap!
Ha! You're too slow.
I'll poop on you.
That's no good. Ow, shit. Are you okay, Sonic? Ew, don't touch me, faggot. Well, what are we gonna do, Sonic? I don't know, Tails. Robotnik is using the Chaos Emeralds, and it makes him too strong.
Aha! I have
The
a
boot
very
is
powerful...
really.
I have a solution. We'll just use this thing I invented this morning. Lay it on me, my amigo. What? It's a minigun, Sonic. Tails, no. Just use it. Tails, please. Aim it. I don't want to. Do it, faggot.
I told you I'd poop on you.
Whoa! Why does his butt look like melons? His butts look like melons. What the frick? What?
Yeah, train will be good. Maybe just some.
I don't think it's hard to say that. There's enough. But let's see this one. A Sonic cancer?
I have collected all
This is
the
not
Chaos
funny
Emeralds,
to the other
Sonic,
ones.
so you can suck my dictionary.
Ha! Not this time, Robotnik.
Slap!
Ha! You're too slow.
I'll poop on you.
That's no good. Ow, shit. Are you okay,
Tails.
Sonic? Ew, don't touch me, faggot.
Tails.
Well, what are we gonna do, Sonic? I don't know, Tails. Robotnik is using the Chaos Emeralds, and it makes him too strong.
Aha! I
The
have a
boot
very
looks like a
powerful...
poo.
I have a
The boot
solution.
looks like
We'll
poo.
just use this thing I invented this morning.
Knuckles?
Lay it on me, my amigo. What? It's a minigun, Sonic. Tails, no. Just use it. Tails, please. Aim it. I don't want to. Do it, faggot.
Shh.
Oh, I'm nervous.
I told you I'd poop poop on you.
This is much more better than it was. Oh my freaking god. Ooh. I know I keep on picking a lot of them, but
I've
these are the different kinds of.
Fourth Chaos Emerald.
Sonic, so you can suck my penis.
Not me.
Slouch.
You're too slow.
He's slow.
I'll poop on you.
That's good.
That's good.
Shish. Are you Sonic? Ew, don't touch me,
Are
fam.
you Sonic?
What are we gonna do, Sonic? I know, Tails. Robotnik is using the Chaos Emerald, and it makes him too strong.
Aha! I have a penis.
I have a solution. We'll just use alcohol and lay it on me, my amigo. What? It's a minigun, sauce. Tails. No. Just use it. Tails, please. Aim it. I want to. Do it, faggot.
Man, that was funny. So I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe and leave a comment below. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye from Push Recorder. Yeah.